Alright guys, today we are on day 1 of 365 days of printing, and today we have a snake model. This is no snake in particular, this is just a generic snake that you would see at a toy store or anywhere like that. This is how it prints on the plate, so if you get an over view of it, you're going to see that it's not the full plate, it can go quite a bit bigger. And so how these things are made is one layer at a time. So if you look at this one over here, this is not done. This is stopped about halfway through. You can see that there are little squigglies here. This is the infill pattern. This is going to be a new one for me. I normally use Dryvery, but this is just a cross hatch. You can see that this is how they interact here. The little joints going from one to the next. And so eventually all of these will be covered up like you see over here, and then eventually it'll just seal itself off. So these are the finished pieces. This is going to be a rainbow version. So this filament in particular goes from a purple to a blue to a green, yellow, orange, red, and back to purple. This is called a gradient filament, so it's already pre-made in order to change colors like this. It is just one roll of filament, there's no changing. And so they're pretty flexible. They move pretty well. And here's one in blue. And we got another one in green. This is the sparkle green PLA. So it's going to have little bits of glitter inside. So that's going to be day 1, guys. Thank you for watching. And we'll have these guys posted pretty soon.